Hello, consistent, predictable income community. I've got a very special invitation for you for an upcoming event. I want to introduce you to Eric Mitchell. He's going to ask you a question that I want you to think about. Eric, hi.
Hey, Dan.
We were
So,
talking about AI there for a second. We were talking about
yeah,
technology,
yeah, it's
data.
moving quick. It's moving quick.
Tell me,
ChatGPT came out, like, think about it. ChatGPT just came out, I think, in November, and then 3.5 and now 4.0. And if you haven't played around with ChatGPT 4.0, I mean, it's moving so fast. Google's now come out with Bard. So
what's it called?
Bard, BARD.
That's
So they're a
faster than what I'm
competitor
even
to
hearing about it. Yeah.
ChatGPT. Yeah,
Okay.
I just got off the waiting list 3 days ago, and I went in and started playing with Bard, and it's the ChatGPT 4.0 and Bard are like head to head. And so when you look at that, what does that mean to our businesses? What does it mean to how we function and provide information? It's the same as thing when the internet was rolled out. I remember in 1995, the internet being rolled out, there were a lot of doomsayers saying, "Oh my God, everyone's going to have access to all this
I don't think
information."
I don't think it's going to work.
Yeah, the internet.
I mean, I'm
Yeah,
just
the
saying, I
internet's a
don't think the
fad.
internet, I think that's just a fad.
The internet's a fad. I know. And so it's not a doomsday alert, right? That the same alerts were being thrown off about the internet. Oh my God, everybody's going to have access to information. Therefore, I won't be valuable. Therefore, everyone's going to go bankrupt. No, that's not. It's you just have to shift. Now, if you fought the internet and said the internet's a fad, it's going to go away, and I'm not going to embrace it, then you went bankrupt. That's what happened to you in the late 90s, early 2000s. You just went bankrupt. And so I'm going to say, if you're not embracing artificial intelligence, if you're not embracing access to data, and so here's and I've gone on a journey, and I'm happy to share some other videos, but I've been on a journey for coming up to 20 years now about trying to understand data. Because when you say the word data, salespeople check out. It's like data. No, it's about relationships.
No,
Like,
this data thing, there's nothing with it, Eric. Tell me.
yeah, I know.
I mean,
So let's talk about data. So I'll just give you a quick understanding of the power and the value of data. And so when you look, if you Google right now, go on the internet and look at the stock valuation of Tesla, and then you compare that stock valuation to Ford or General Motors. The stock market places a 17x valuation right now, today, this moment, 17x valuation on Tesla stock over Ford and General Motors. Why? They all make cars. Why? And people, oh, it's a technology company. No, wrong. It's a data company. Understand that Tesla is a data company that happens to make cars. Apple is a data company that happens to make phones and computers. Google is a data company that happens to give away free emails and free maps and whatever. Facebook is a data company that happens to give away free social media. That's the valuation. That's where the money is in the data and understanding it. And so what I say to realtors is, should you be a realtor? Should you be a real estate agent? Or should you learn how to be a data company that happens to offer real estate services?
and you're going to tell us how to do this on the 21st?
Yeah, man. Let's pop on and I'll walk you through some simple mathematics. And it's just math, right? Like 2 + 2 = 4. I don't think anybody's going
We
to argue
only know
on that.
6%. We're agents. We're
Yeah.
6%. That's the only. I hope that it has some sort of equation of that.
It will 6% times
Hey,
what?
my man,
6% times what and how many, right? And so we'll definitely get into that. And just my wish for real estate agents is just to understand the revolution that's happening and how to embrace it, and don't fight it.
You're gonna give us actionable steps of how we could benefit, like actually benefit from AI, from technology, from data.
I'll give you one step further. You come on this call, I'll show you how to make $1 million in the next 12 months for free. $1 million next 12 months for free. And if I don't, I'll Venmo every viewer $1,000. How's that?
Friday, the 21st of April, 1 p.m. Eastern time, for the Consistent Predictable Income Community Thought Leader Mastermind. Eric Mitchell is going to be joining us. And if you want $1,000 Venmo, you won't get it because he's going to tell you how to make $1 million. So come join us. And you can join us at www.getconsistentandpredictableincome.com. And I'll probably throw a link somewhere on this video here where you can register because we want to make sure we save you a seat. See you soon. That's good.